Hi, this is Lulu from Loom, and today we are going to be making cherries, and the person who made these cherries, who made the design, was made by Mommy, and yeah, let's get started. So, this will be on a hook. You would not need a loom, and you will need 5 red bands for each. So 10 total. So you will need 10 total. And 2 green bands. I don't have a green band right now, but I will get one. Okay, so first you are going to start off by taking your red and you are going to wrap that around 3 times. 1, 2, 3, like that. Then you will, then you're going, let me separate that a little. Then you're gonna take 4 red bands. Make sure that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna put them on the hook, part, and pull them tight. Then you're going to take this cat band thing, pull it through. Then you will pull that down and put that on your hook. And that forms your cherry. But to make it look like a cherry, you need your stem. So make sure you have your green, pull it tight, and take this cherry part and pull it over that green, which I did not do right. Let me get this. Just fell off, which is really easy to fix. Get that. Okay. Not in the right hand. Now you're gonna pull that through. And then you're going to take that green and pull it like that. Like that. Then you are going to take that under, pull it through, let go of it, and then pull it tight, and then that will form a slip knot to make one of your cherries. Now, we are going to make another cherry. So, same steps. You're going to take one red rubber band, wrap it around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Pull it down a little, and now you're going to take 5 red. Now you're going to take 4 red rubber bands, and pull it tight. See, I'm not pulling it tight enough. There you go. Now take this slip knot, all 3 of it, and pull it through that. Pull this down, then add it again, like that. That's your little cherry. Now we need to add another stem. So you're going to add that there, pull it tight. Now you're going to take that cherry and pull it through. Pull that part green down, slip that green onto your hook. Then you're going same as last time, you're going to slowly pull that around, let go, and make a slip knot. And that is your 2 cherries. Now we're gonna put these together. Pull them a little more tightly. And so you're going to put them on your hook. 1 and 2. And one's gonna go like this, and then you're gonna pull it around. It's not fully secure, so it's just gonna look like that. Then you're gonna take this and wrap it around one of the cherries and then pull tightly. And that is your cherry. Thank you for watching. I hope you will subscribe and click the thumbs up. And yeah, have a good day.